Hello and welcome to the beautiful world of Artistic Bake. This is me, Aarti Gupta here, back again with a beautiful chocolicious recipe, and the name of the recipe is Eggless Fudgy Chocolate Brownie. Want to know the ingredients? So let's have a look at the ingredients. So we require my favorite dark chocolate, dark cocoa powder, brown sugar, refined sugar, flour, baking soda. Tools that we require are hand whisk, spatula, and a rectangular cake tin, 9-inch rectangular cake tin, and some measuring spoon, saucepan and a sieve. Measurement to the ingredients will be listed down in the description box below. Let's start with the process. So we will start by adding milk to our saucepan. In goes my brown sugar, refined sugar. So now I will start up the heat and allow my sugar to get melted completely. So once you see that your sugar has melted completely and your milk has come to a boil, at this stage we will lower down the flame and we will add our butter. So now I have switched off the flame. Allow my butter to melt completely. With this butter I will also add my cocoa powder. Mix this until well combined. See to it that you are mixing it properly. There should be no lumps of cocoa powder. If there are any lumps, just break it down with the back of your spatula. So now we will add our dark chocolate to the milk. So we will allow our chocolate to melt down completely with the heat of the milk. So here you can see my chocolate has melted nicely. There are very small bits of chocolate remaining. It's okay. You can leave that. And now what I will do is I will pour this in the mixing bowl. So now I will allow my chocolate mixture to come down to room temperature and then we will use it. In a separate bowl, I will take curd. The curd that I am using here is store-bought curd. It is not too thick, not too thin. So first we will break the lumps of the curd. So after breaking the lumps, we will add baking soda to our mixture. Cut it with our finger flat and then we will add it. After adding the soda, we will combine it together. You can see the bubbly reaction happening. So now we will keep it aside. So our chocolate mixture has come down to room temperature. Now we will add the curd mixture to our chocolate mixture. We will mix the curd and the chocolate mixture. We will add vanilla essence. Once your mixture looks like this, we will sieve in the dry ingredient, that is the flour. So now we will fold in the dry and the wet ingredient. Scrape down the sides and mix it nicely. There should be no lumps remaining. At this stage, if you wish to add nuts or chocolate chips in your batter, you can add it. Now you can see the consistency of the batter. So your batter is ready. Now we will pour it in the cake tin. So here you can see I have already lined my cake tin with a parchment paper. So I will pour my batter. So once you have poured your batter in the cake tin, just allow it to go to all the corners evenly. Now I will preheat my oven at 180 for 10 minutes. Till then, my brownie batter will be resting at room temperature. My oven is preheated. Let's place this inside the oven for baking for 35 minutes. So here you can see my brownie is baked and out of the oven. Now we will allow it to cool down completely before demolding. To check whether your brownie is baked completely, take a toothpick and insert it in the center. And when you take it out, you can see a small portion of crumbs on the toothpick. That is the sign that your brownie is baked nicely. Our brownie has cooled down completely. Time to demold our brownie. Cool down your brownies in the fridge section for at least about an hour so that it becomes easy to demold your brownie and to cut it into slices. So let's demold it. Here you can see how easily I can demold it. So before slicing it, we will cut down the edges. Let's cut out a slice. Let's take a closer look. Now it's the time for my favorite part. Tasting time. So let's dig into it. Super delicious, super yummy. Do make this yummy brownie and let me know in the comment section how did it turn out. Don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page. Link to the Instagram page will be given down in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our videos and subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.